Ever catch yourself replaying a conversation in your head and wondering, was that just friendly or something more? You're definitely not alone. Trying to figure out whether attraction goes both ways can feel exciting, confusing, and a little nerve-wracking all at once. The good news is that human behavior often leaves small clues. Today, we'll walk through some common psychology-informed signs that two people may be developing feelings for each other explained in a simple, everyday way. Let's start with something you might not even notice at first: natural sensing. When two people feel drawn to one another, their bodies often fall into rhythm without any planning. You might lean forward at the same time, adopt similar sitting positions, or even start using similar expressions. This kind of unconscious coordination can happen when people feel comfortable and emotionally tuned into each other. Another clue shows up in how lighthearted the interaction feels. Mutual attraction often brings a sense of play into conversations. You may notice gentle joking, inside jokes, or friendly challenges that feel fun rather than awkward. When both people are enjoying the back and forth and laughing a little more than usual, it can signal growing chemistry and ease. Connection can also show up through small, casual moments of physical closeness. This doesn't mean anything dramatic. It might be standing a bit closer than necessary, a quick tap on the shoulder, or brushing hands while reaching for the same thing. These brief interactions can reflect a comfort level that goes beyond basic politeness. Now let's talk about staying in touch when attraction is shared. Communication often extends beyond chance encounters. You may find yourselves checking in throughout the day, sharing little updates, or continuing conversations long after they should have ended. It's not about quantity alone, but enthusiasm. Both people seem genuinely interested in keeping the dialogue going. Of course, how you talk matters just as much as how often. When someone is truly interested, they tend to be present in the conversation. They remember details you've shared, ask thoughtful questions, and respond in a way that shows they're engaged. Feeling heard and valued is often a sign that emotional interest is building on both sides. Before we go further, if you're finding this helpful so far, feel free to show some love with a like or a comment. It really helps support the channel. Now, let's wrap things up with one final sign. People who share attraction usually look for reasons to spend time together. This might mean suggesting activities, showing up at the same gatherings, or creating moments to connect one-on-one. When both individuals make an effort to be around each other, it often reflects a desire to strengthen the bond. Having a crush can bring a mix of excitement and uncertainty. While no single sign tells the whole story, noticing patterns like these can make things feel a little clearer. Take things at a pace that feels comfortable and trust your instincts along the way. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more topics like this, check out our other content on building attraction naturally. And as always, let us know your thoughts below. Subscribe for more. And thanks for spending your time with us today.